Look at Australopithecus or depictions of ancient hominids, and then you go to human beings. One of the things you see is bigger heads and weaker bodies.
Well, you see a clear progression of evolution too, where for something like that, I would lean towards a synthetic organism because it looks like it was made for a specific task. There's no reproductive organs, so I mean that almost kind of leaves out any kind of physical evolution.
Our bottleneck is our biological imperative, the need to breed, emotions, fear, anxiety, all these different things that exist in order to force us into making sure we reproduce. Human reward systems that aren't necessary once they can figure out a way to make some sort of sentient artificial life. Some sort of thing that doesn't have these biological limitations that we have.
By the way, these craft, all these different kinds have been reported because it was confusing. I always thought of flying saucers, what I heard Bob Lazar talk about, flying saucer, right? But if you look back in history, people have always reported the weirdest shapes. Like none of them are alike. There are the saucers, but you got cigar shaped, you got the top hat shaped, you have orbs. Why? Maybe they're serving different purposes. They're doing different things like we'd use different tools.